If you are in your 20s or 30 seconds, every financial decision you make right now will either set you up for success or keep you broke for decades. Most people make these huge money mistakes without even realizing it. Today, I'm exposing the biggest financial traps that ruin your wealth and how you can avoid them. Stick around till the end because the last mistake is what keeps 95% of people struggling forever. Mistake number 1: living paycheck to paycheck. Let's be real. How many of you get paid, spend most of your money, and then just wait for the next paycheck? That cycle is keeping you broke. You have no savings, meaning one emergency can wipe you out. You have no investments, meaning your money isn't growing. You're stuck working for money instead of having money work for you. The easiest way to break out: follow the 50-30-20 rule: 50 for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving and investing. Even if you start with just $10 a week, just start. Small habits today equals big financial freedom later. Mistake number 2: not investing early. Most people wait until their 30s or even 40 seconds to start investing. Big mistake. The power of compound interest: money grows exponentially over time. If you start investing $100 a month at 25, you could retire a millionaire. But if you wait until 35, you'll have half as much money. Start investing now, even if it's just $5 a day in ETFs, index funds, or even crypto. Your future self will thank you. Mistake number 3: lifestyle inflation. You got your first good paycheck, and now you're upgrading everything: new car, luxury apartment, expensive dinners. That's called lifestyle inflation, and it's keeping you broke. You're spending future wealth for temporary status. Rich people don't flex. Instead of trying to look rich, focus on getting rich. Live below your means, invest the difference, and upgrade when your investments pay for it. Mistake number 4: bad debt. Credit cards, car loans, student loans. If you're not careful, debt will control your life. High interest debt keeps you stuck in a payment cycle. You're paying interest instead of earning it. Use credit wisely. Pay off high-interest debt ASAP and only borrow to make money, like a rental property or business investment. Mistake number 5: relying on one income stream. If you only have one income source, you're one step away from financial disaster. If you lose your job, your income disappears overnight. Wealthy people have multiple income streams. Start a side hustle, invest, or build passive income streams. Mistake number 6: thinking you have time. Biggest mistake: thinking you have time. Waiting to save, waiting to invest, waiting to start. Time equals your most valuable asset. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Start today, no matter how small. The best time to take control of your finances was yesterday. The second best time is now. And if you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our videos. Thank you.